me get ready to go. We're just gonna slide nice and easy together on the count of 3, alright? Ready? 1, 2, 3, slide. 1, 2, 3, slide. There we go. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, slide. 1, 2, 3, slide. There we go. Hey! Hey! On your knees, cross your arms. Cross your arms. Look at your body. Ready? Go. Alright, we're good now. Alright. Wow. Like that. Alright, let her fly. Alright, buddy, you got anything to say? Feel better? You didn't think about the divorce, did you? It's all good now. Alright, let's do one turn. Black parachute. That's your buddy right now. How was it, brother?
Great. Did you love that? Yes, sir.
Good deal, man.
How you feeling, Scott? Feeling great, man.
You wanna do it again?
Give that man a high five.
Hey, good job, buddy. Hey, congratulations. You did a great job. Look at him and say, heck yeah.
Heck yeah, man.
There we go. All right, take these little buckles right here. Lift these buckles up right there. You can walk like a man again. Good job. Man, we were losing some. Woo! That wind is goofy today, man.
That is goofy.
What?
I mean, I came in
It was fast.
and it dropped. I'm like 20 feet from the ground. It dropped down and I stabbed it and I did a good little foot slide and an ass slide and a hand slide.
Yeah, it was fast. I mean, and we saw we got lost all our power too.
That was great, man.
Yeah, good skydive, dude.
I was a little worried because I asked him a couple of times, "Are we okay?"